iawn, Georgina. Dal ati.
Da iawn.
Keep going. Right, talking of dal ati, keep going, nodyn nia. Are you ready?
I think I am, yeah.
Well, today, heddiw, o'n i'n meddwl, we wouldn't go so much into gramadeg, grammar, but o'n i'n meddwl, achos bod hi'n Sul y Pasg, Easter Sunday.
Pas capus, pawb.
Yeah.
I love saying pas capus.
Pas capus is great. You have said it about a million times.
I know I will.
today.
I'll continue for the rest of the show. Pas capus.
Right, Grawys.
Grawys.
Do you remember a few weeks ago we talked briefly about Grawys, Lent? Okay, so Grawys is Lent in Cymraeg. So there's a little ditty that's going to help you remember what the 8 Sundays of Lent are. Yeah, it's an old little Welsh poem that people used to say.
Did you give up anything for Lent?
No, I never do. I should. Did you?
No, I didn't. No.
Iawn te, felly, dyma'r gerdd fach, iawn. So the first Sunday of Lent, y dydd Sul cynta, ydy dydd Sul ynyd, Shrove Sunday.
Dydd Sul ynyd.
Ynyd. Dydd Sul hefyd, so
Dydd Sul
second Sunday, dydd Sul another Sunday. Dydd Sul a ddaw, a Sunday that will come.
Okay.
Dydd Sul gerllaw, a Sunday nearby.
A Sunday nearby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Dydd Sul ynyd, dydd Sul hefyd, dydd Sul a ddaw, dydd Sul gerllaw. Nesa? Dydd Sul y Meibion. Meibion, which is the Sunday. Remember a few weeks ago I was telling you when traditionally people would go, sons and daughters would go home.
Mothering Sunday.
Yn union.
That's that one.
Dydd Sul y Meibion.
Oh, okay.
Dydd Sul y Gwrychon. A wedyn dydd Sul y Blodau.
Dydd Sul y Blodau. Flowers.
Palm Sunday, yeah.
Blodau is flowers,
Blodau,
is it
flowers.
So it's Palm Sunday.
And dydd Sul y Blodau, because traditionally people go and rhoi blodau ar y beddi on the graves. Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
Ac wedyn Pasg yr Wyau.
Easter Day.
Easter Sunday. Heddiw. Wy Pasg. Yeah?
I like Easter. It's a nice time.
Have we?
Lots of chocolate eggs flying around, aren't there?
Ti'n iawn,
Yeah.
ti'n iawn. Do you want to wish them a Pas Capus again?
Pas capus. I like saying
yeah.
it. I even say it at Christmas sometimes.
Yeah. So see, there's our nod in nia heddiw. How?
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
You were a good teacher.
Yeah.
I like you as a teacher. I would not like Hefin as a teacher.
No.
Amser y Gwers Cymraeg now. Hefin was let off by the HMI last week. I'm not sure why he was let off, but I wonder what he's up to heddiw today.